Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at this Bosch Orbital sander and do a quick demo. This one is model number GSS20-40. We used the sander on our stairs a while back when we were doing some renovations, and it worked beautifully to remove the top layer of the wood so we could refinish it with a dark stain. And in case you are new to the sander, it also comes with a very detailed user manual on how to assemble and operate the sander, including safety tips. And with that said, let's jump into the demo. Here we are preparing a piece of sandpaper to fit into the sander plate located at the bottom of the sander. The sander comes with these clamp guards to help you lock the sandpaper into place. And then once locked in, it should look something like this. With the sandpaper properly locked into place, it should be secured enough that it will not shift or fall out while operating the sander. And for our demo, we're just going to take a piece of scrap wood. This one is left over from a shelf we were building earlier. Once powered on, you can hold the sander from the top. Your entire palm should fit over the top. While sanding, move the sander back and forth, and in doing so, you will feel low vibration while the sander does its job. The low vibration is due to the sander outputting 12,000 oscillations per minute. And here is what the one end of the wood looks like so far. The wood surface has been smoothened down quite nicely. And now we're going to go ahead and flip the wood so we can work on the other end of the wood. You can see how easily we are able to maneuver the sander. As mentioned before, the vibration is very low, but you get great results. And once again, the wood surface is smoothened down, yet you can still see the beautiful natural grains of the wood. And also to mention that the wood dust gets collected inside the round canister, which you can empty when necessary.